Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create an Uber account. Let's start. First of all, open up the Uber app. After opening the app, click on Get Started. Then enter your mobile number and click on Continue. Then you will receive the verification code on your number. Enter the code when you receive it. After entering the code, click on Next, or it will automatically take you into your Uber account. Once you get into your Uber account, click on Account from the bottom right corner. Then you can complete the remaining account requirements from here. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.